Question number 3, very important question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. Now, what is the length of the pipe?
70
This is the pipe. Yes or no? The length of the pipe is how much? 77 centimeter. Length is nothing but what? Height. 77 centimeter. Height of the cylinder. Length of the pipe is height of the cylinder. Understood? Because the pipe is in the shape of cylinder. Since the pipe is in the shape of cylinder, therefore the length of the pipe is equal to height of the cylinder. Length of the pipe is equal to height of the cylinder. Okay? The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner diameter. Inner diameter. अंदर का diameter. ये. This is inner diameter. Okay? Inner diameter. D1 is equal to how much? 4 centimeter meter. 4 centimeter. Inner diameter is 4 centimeter. Therefore inner radius ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Inner radius क्या होते हैं? हाँ, diameter 4 अदा. Radius ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ರೀ? Half 2 centimeter. Next, outer diameter is outer diameter D2 is equal to 4.4 centimeter. Then R2 is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Outer radius 2.2 centimeter. Next, what they are asking? Number 1, find the inner CSA. What we need to find out? Number one, inner CSA, curved surface area. Number 2, outer CSA, outer curved surface area. Number 3, total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but what? Inner surface area plus outer surface area plus this part. This part we can feel, yes or no? ये part feel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು? ये अंदर का part feel नहीं कर सकते. But ये the thickness we can feel. The thickness of the pipe we can feel. So this is also added for the total surface area. To find the total surface area, we need to add CSA of inner side, CSA of outer side, and the surface area of the thickness of the pipe. Surface area of thickness of the pipe. ಈಗ ಪೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಪೈಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಎಂಡ್ ಪೈಪ್, ಎಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್, ಎಂಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಡ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್? Okay, number 1, inner third surface area of pipe. Correct? What is the CSA of cylinder formula? 2 pi r h. Here inner means what is the radius? Inner radius R1. What is the inner radius? R1. Let us take it as R1. Correct? Inner means R1. This is equal to 2 into pi value. What is the inner surface area? 2 into what is the height? 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. This is equal to 11 twos are 11 twos are 22 22s are 484. 22 22s are 484 into what is this? 2. Okay, this is equal to 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 8 plus 1 968 centimeter square is inner surface area. Inner pipe ka inner area. Pipe ka inner area. Next we need to find out what? Outer surface area. Number 2, outer surface area, CSA of pipe. Same formula. It is in the shape of cylinder. Therefore, this is equal to 2 pi r h. R ಬದಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ R2 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. This is equal to 2 into pi value 22/7. What is the radius R2? 2.2. What is the height? 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. This is equal to okay. Same ಬಂತ 2 2 22 22 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಆದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ 2.2 ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 11 ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 11 2s 11 2s 22 22s 484 into 2.2. This is equal to 22 4s 88 carry 8 22 8s 176 176 plus 8 184 18 carry 22 4s 88 98 98 plus 8 106 correct 106. How many bit bindus? 1 bit bindu. Okay, centimeter square. This is the outer surface area. What is this? Outer surface area. Next, what we need to find out?
Total surface area.
Total surface area of pipe is equal to inner CSA plus outer CSA plus और क्या प्लस करना? What we need to add? TS in the math in add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ. Okay, look here. Outer CSA, inner CSA. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜರ ಈ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್? ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅದ ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಕಳ ಖಾಲಿ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, खाली है ओके खाली खोखला है बोले तो इतना हमें फाइंड आउट करना. इतना क्यों फाइंड आउट करना? बिगर सर्कल माइनस स्मॉलर सर्कल उतना ऐड करना से. उतने कितने हैं? ऊपर एक नीचे एक, 2 हैं. अंडरस्टूड? ओके ಏನಂತ ಬರಲಪ್ಪ? इंटू 2 into what? area of pipe ends. area of pipe ends. पाइप के ends. बहुत हंस रहा है बाबा. हाँ ओके. area of pipe ends. This is equal to what is inner CSA value? 968 plus what is outer CSA value? 1064.8 plus 2 into what is the area of pipe ends? Outer circle area minus inner circle area. Okay, formula is R2 square minus R1 square. This is equal to what is the value here? After adding 8.8 as it is, 4 plus 8 16 carry 1, 6 plus 1 7 plus 6 13 carry 1 1 as it is. Next sorry 1 plus 9 10 carry 1 2032.8 plus 2 in bracket. What is pi value? 22 divided by 7. What is R2 value? 2.2 square. What is R1 value? 2 square. Correct? This is equal to 2032.8 plus 2 in bracket 22 divided by 7. Correct? Okay. Next in bracket 22 22s are 484. 4.84 minus 4. Correct? This is equal to 2032.8 plus 2 in bracket 22 divided by 7. 484 minus 4 0.84 0.84. This is equal to 2032.8 plus 2 in bracket. Okay, 22 8s 22 4s 88 carry 8, 22 8 za 176 plus 8 184 carry 18, 22 0 za 0, 0 plus 18 18, 1.2 point 2 point divided by 7, this is equal to 2032.8 plus 2 8 za 16 carry 1, 2 4 za 8 plus 1 9, 2 8 za 16 carry 1, 2 1 za 2 plus 1 3 divided by 7 point, this is equal to 2032.8 plus 7 5 za 35, 1 remaining 19, 7 2 za 14, 7 2 za, okay, what is the answer here? 20368.02, correct? 2038, check the answer, centimeter